In today's video, we are going to be doing a room tour, and now I really love Kuromi, and I want to just show you all my Kuromi stuff. So as you can see right here is my bed, and I have this purse. Isn't it just so cute? And I love opening blind boxes, and I got the Kuromi on the first try. And here's my ear section where I put all my ears and purse. And there's this little so cute painting poster little thing. And yeah, and Cece's cat tree is over there. You know Cece. And this is where my area where I get dressed and stuff. And yeah, all of it is so cute. And I have a collection of plushies on this wall, as you see. I'm not gonna show all of you right now because I have like 5,000. But yeah, this is all the stuff I like. And look at all my little boo-boos up there. And today is the day before Easter, and I'm gonna have a big Easter party. But I don't know, you see my mirror over there? You see all those colors on there? Those, I might paint my wall that color. So make sure to like and subscribe if maybe that could happen and you could see me paint my room purple. But yeah, just like a couple months ago, I did a tour of when I really liked pink. Don't worry, I still do like pink. Just, it changed a bit and I like purple now. So if you've liked this video, make sure to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye-bye.